Hey my friends, so I've just got back from having lunch with my family. So I got the third figure started to be built, and you see the detail here is I put a photo etch belt on him and I put a hand grenade, a stick grenade in his belt. So that's pretty cool. I also have added a nice little bread bag and his helmet. I've put that on the back. His hat was too small or something, so I've made that fit by, you can see a gap there. I'll have to just put in a bit more Tamiya putty. I've really started to make figures with Tamiya putty, so instead of just, you know, your normal glue, it really fills up gaps really good and stuff like that. So I just dab a little putty on and squeeze the parts on it, and yeah, it just seems to work a lot better. So I've got the other guy that I built last night primed. He's got the thing on. So I've sealed up the boots with the liquid mask. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give him a camo top, a camo helmet. So it's going to be dark brown, olive green and dark yellow. So we'll do a little bit of a camo top. And the one I'm going to do, I'll see if I can find it. Here it is. So the one we will do is that one. So I'll just get some blue tack and we'll make, you know, a little line, and then we'll spray the green on, and then we'll spray the yellow on. So we'll do that one. I thought that was a pretty cool looking one. So it'll take a little bit of extra time, you know, of painting and all that, but should be worthwhile. So with this fella, I've got him a bit more detailed. As you can see, the details are starting to come out, and I got his Panzer shred painted. So we've got that separated. I hand painted it with some desert yellow, so that's very, very dark, but that's going to be our base. I'll come along with lighter yellows. And that's how that's all coming along. It looks very good. I really like this set. Really like it a lot. So now we're going to put on this guy's rifle. We'll give him a rifle, and we've got to build his Panzerfaust, and that goes in his hand just down here. But we'll paint the figure separately, and when everything's painted, we'll just put the Panzerfaust in. But that little feature there is cool. How I put his that stick grenade in. It's really good, these belts. I really like, yeah, I might have to use them more often, because I ordered another set of this photo etch so I can make as many as I need to, and I can always get more because it's $20 for this kit, so well worth it. Also got the other side of the tracks on, so we can now finish the building. So I'll be able to just tape that up, and then when we finish painting it, we can come back and weather it all together, which will be really good. It's a bloody nice tank by Ryefield Models. Really nice tank. So yeah, I have to keep getting the trench going, but that's what I'm working on now, the figures for the trench. And there's some more figures that are going in the trench, so we'll have to get them ready as well. But I just thought I'd quickly show you the third guy in the Panzer Jager set from Masterbox. Alright fellas, I'll speak to you again soon.